everyone, I'm Reyven Catindig, and I'm here to discuss to you about the systems of nonlinear equations. But first, let us define what is systems of nonlinear equations. It is a system in which one of the equation is not linear, or it can be both. In this session, I will teach you how to solve systems of nonlinear equations with the equation of conic sections, such as circle, parabola, ellipse, and hyperbolas. First things first, let us review the equations of the conic sections so that you will easily identify what kind of conic section it is based on the given equation. For circle, you will easily identify that it is an equation for a circle if the value of a and b in the equation ax squared plus by squared plus cx plus dy plus e equals to 0 has the same value and both x and y is squared, where e is a constant.
Let's give it a shot. You and I on the court. Time ticking on the clock. Baby, I'ma try to score. Cause you the hottest on the block. Nothing dim in your light. But all the options that you got.
Meanwhile, for the equation of a parabola, you will easily classify that the equation is a parabola if either of the x or y is squared. Here's the example.
Wouldn't ever treat you right. No, I don't need a telescope to see that you're the one. But I do need your time, and if it ain't yours, I'd rather have none. I don't need a fortune teller to tell me my fortune. I have a million signs that my fortune just began.
Next, for the equation of an ellipse. It is an ellipse if the x and y were still squared, but the value of a and b in the equation is not the same.
Fortune just begun. You got me jumping like
boom shakalaka, boom shakalaka, boom shakalaka, boom shakalaka, boom shakalaka, boom shakalaka.
wanna hold you down.
Boom shakalaka, boom shakalaka, boom shakalaka.
Lastly, it is an equation of a hyperbola if either of the a and b in the equation is negative.
Wanna hold you down. I said back at it again with the jump shot.
There are three methods in solving systems of nonlinear equations. First, the graphical method. In this method, it would be much easier if you will use graphing calculator or any graphic applications which you can download and install into your phones. For this, I will be using GeoGebra. It is one of the most efficient graphing applications to use. It's like this. Then it can be installed into your phones, laptops, or any devices you have. First, let us have an ellipse and a hyperbola as an example for graphical method.
I wanna know what's on your mind. Baby, can you tell me? We are such a mystery. Yeah. I see you liking all those pics, flirting with that other chick, baby. And I can't take this no more. Baby, can you tell me how you feeling? I ain't feeling the way I'm feeling about you.
The next method we will be using in solving systems of nonlinear equation is the substitution method. Here how it is. For example, we have x squared minus y squared equals 9. It is an equation of an ellipse. It is our equation 1. The second equation is x squared plus y squared minus 16x equals negative 39. It will be our equation number 2. So, to perform a substitution method, we have to get the value of x or either the y. To get the x or y, choose between the two equations. So, I will choose the equation number 1. X squared minus y squared equals 9. X squared equals, transpose y squared in the other side. So, it will gonna be y squared plus 9. Extract its square roots. It will be x is equals to y plus 3. So, we already have the value of x, which is y plus 3. So, we have to substitute the value of x we got in the equation x squared plus y squared minus 16x equals negative 39 in every value of x. So, since the equation we got or the value of x we got is y plus 3 and we substitute it in every x we got in equation number 2, it will be y plus 3 squared plus y squared minus 16 times y plus 3x squared equals negative 39. Then, simplify it. This part, we will expand it. It will be y squared plus 6y plus 9. Then, copy y squared. Then, this part, we will distribute negative 16 to y plus 3. So, it will be 16y minus 48 equals 39. Then, we will simplify the like terms. Here, y squared plus y squared is equals to 2y squared. 6y minus negative 16y is negative 10y. And this one, we will transpose it here. So, this will be positive. 9 minus 48 plus 39 is equals to 0. So, and equate it to 0. It can be divisible. It is divisible by 2. So, we will have its lowest term. Y squared minus 5y equals to 0. Then, we have to factor it. It will be y multiplied by y minus 5 equals to 0. Value of y is equals to 0 and y is equals to positive 5. It is positive 5 because y minus 5 equals to 0. And we will transpose negative 5 to the other side. So it will gonna be positive 5. The next one, we will use the value of y to get the value of x so that we will be able to have our solutions. Since we got y is equals to 0 and y is equals to 5, we will use this value of y to get the value of x. And we will use the equation. We got x squared is equals to y squared plus 9. Okay, let's substitute first 0. X squared equals to 0 squared plus 9. X squared is equals to 9. Extract its square root and it will give us x is equals to 3. Now, we already have the other value of x. We will get the other one using the value of y, which is 5. X squared is equals to y squared plus 9. We will substitute y by 5. X squared is equals to 5 squared plus 9. X squared equals 25 plus 9. X squared is equals to 34. Extract its square root. X squared is equals to, use your scientific calculator to get the value of the square root of 34. And we got 5.03. Since 3 and 5.03 was the roots of 9 and 34, it will be positive and negative 3. Also this one, positive. So, the solutions we have is negative 3, 0, 3, 0, negative 5.03, and 5, and positive 5.03, and 5. This is our solution set. Okay, got it. Okay, we are already done with the graphical method and the substitution method. We are now in the third and the last method, the elimination method. For example, 6x squared minus y squared minus 15 equals 0. This is an equation of ellipse. The second equation we got is x squared plus y squared minus 13 equals to 0. We will eliminate the term with unlike signs. Cancel this since it is negative and a positive. And add the remaining. 6x squared plus x squared equals 7x squared. And negative 15 plus negative 13 is negative 28 equals to 0. We will group it according to its terms. Transpose negative 28 to the other side. So it will give us 7x squared equals to positive 28. Then divide both sides by 7 and it will give us x squared equals to 4. Extract its square root and it will give x is equals to 2, x is equals to negative 2. That's the value of x. And now we will use the value of x to get the value of y. Using the second equation, x squared plus y squared minus 13 equals 0. First, using the x equals to 2. 2 squared plus y squared minus equals to 0. Then 4 plus y squared minus 13 equals to 0. Let us transpose 4 and negative 13. So y squared is equals to positive 13 minus 4. Y squared is equals to 9. Extract its square root, so it will give us y is equals to positive 3 and y is equals to negative 3. So, we will use the other value of x to get the other values of y. X is equals to negative 2. We will use the same equation. X squared plus y squared equals 13 equals to 0. Minus 13 equals to 0. So, negative 2 squared plus y squared minus 13 equals to 0. Negative 2 squared is 4 plus y squared minus 13 equals to 0. Let's just do the same process. Y squared transpose negative 13 and positive 4 to the other side. 13 minus 4. Y squared is equals to 9. Extract its square root and it will give us y positive is equals to positive 3 and y is equals to negative 3. We got the value of x equals to positive 2 and negative 2. And y, its values are 3, 3, negative 3, negative 3. So therefore, our solution set is 2, 3, 2, negative 3, negative 2, positive 3, and negative 2, negative 3. Got it. Now we're done with the 3 methods of solving systems of nonlinear equations. I hope it will help you a lot. Till next time!
This is something you should have.